See it. My man Rasta they travel whole day today. Whole day today my man Rasta they travel. Look. See it. Me no want call no name because you know Jamaica run. See it and can me go buy hot everything. Look. See it there. All me get. No, look now. A man call me to buy a food treatment, me buy a food treatment. Me buy the food for the man, me buy a chicken food. Now look. Rasta did it and they bun God in the bun Jesus in the bun everything. Me did it and easy said we. Me nah do nothing, you know, me just sit down and easy. Alright. About some minutes after 2. About 8 minutes or 9 minutes after 2. Me just feel like the place go on away. Just a shake. So when me give the person the food, me feel the food they go so. You know what I know, say the Rasta now. But they bun God how long? You want to hear the man ball out with Lord Jesus Christ. The man will drive left me, you know. The man ball with Lord Jesus Christ. Whoa, God have mercy upon me. Me say me did it. But wait. Really Rasta Black Sister Wanza? Me say me did it. Me try to back up myself whole and do jump. Where you the man about Lord Jesus Christ, Father, forgive me. Me say no man, this can't right, you know say. The man drive left me. The man, and like the man wait for me, the man leave me. The man leave me. Me say me have to catch. We have to catch. We went reach on a discount and so. Me say me have to hug up and column round there, you know. You know, say the man leave me, the man no wait for me, the man leave me. Now see that the only thing I could have grabbed off a Rasta Blacks and time. No, I want to tell him the Rasta Blacks, bring back my bag. Bring back my bag. And you see next thing? Me no want no man to tell me about God no real and God this and God that. Someone no ready. Because if I want a little earthquake, I want a little shimmer, I want to turn that already. Me say watch ya. Boy smell the man all time frownsy. Nah, this the man still, you know. But yo, Rasta Blacks just bring back my thing them. You can't come kill me now, cause me the talk and me not hide, me tell the truth. You will bring back my thing and if it was easy. Yeah man, because yo, me can't believe this all now. People had a me didn't know that Jamaica have so much people with the ball for God. After then they born God. I know his people me the ball for Lord Jesus Christ today. If nobody know God, they know God today. Because I know his Jesus Christ me. Whoa, Lord Jesus Christ, help me. Help me. Whoa, God. Have me. Me say I have man with Bible. But yo, I don't know what they happening about. The thing get wicked. Yeah man, the thing get wicked, man.